Inside this chapter 1 jQuery basics folder, I have here for set css style.html file. Inside this file, I have here boilerplate HTML code. Inside head section, I have a title there. I am loading jQuery library over there, and in the next 60 tag, I am calling ready function on document object, which is further calling a callback function. Inside body, I am going to have a div there with bunch of CSS inline CSS styles like width as 400 pixel, height as 40 pixel, and background color, or I can say here border as 1 pixel solid gray. So initially this div will have this width 400 pixel, height 40 pixel, and border 1 pixel solid and gray. So let me just simply show you the output of this code inside a regular browser. Here I have a div having border, width, and height simply. Now what I want to assign some extra CSS to this div when this div is fully loaded inside browser. So here in this script tag, if you look here, the document is selecting this entire web page, and when this entire web page is loaded inside browser, this ready function will be called, and then this ready function will call this callback function further. So inside this ready function's callback function, I'm going to select the div via tag selector and then call upon a CSS function over there. Inside the CSS function, I'm going to provide two parameters. The first one is CSS property. So background color is the first CSS property, and red is the value of the first CSS property. So now if I run this div, I'm in web page inside browser. This div's background color will be changed to red via the CSS method called upon div. So let's go ahead and check the output inside browser.